Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the site module in Python, which provides a hook for site-specific configuration actions. Now before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out the way, let's hop right into it. Python site module is automatically imported when you start the Python interpreter. It's primarily used to set up the Python path and add site packages to it. Let's see how it works. First, let's take a look at the user site directory where third-party packages for a specific user are installed. In this snippet, we're printing the user site directory where user-specific packages are installed. You can add a custom directory to the Python path by using the site module. This can be useful if you have a directory containing scripts or modules you want to be accessible from anywhere. In this code, we're adding a custom directory to the Python path. You should replace the path to your directory with the actual path to the directory you're looking to choose. Alright, and that's going to be our brief look at the Python's site module. It's a powerful tool for configuring your Python environment and making your coding experience smoother. If you guys found this helpful or enjoyed, drop a like down below, drop a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.